for a change of pace. So today we're on the road. We're gonna go check out Brent's collection. Now I haven't seen Brent for like a whole year. You guys know who I'm talking about. He's got the Malibu, he's got the Chevy 2 race car. We're heading up there today, see what he's got, check out his collection, see what he's up to, and how he's been doing. Alright guys, so it looks like we're going to try to fit an engine into the Chevy 2 while we're here, just to see how it looks. We don't got a lot of light out here, but we've got the truck, and I'm just going to put the camera down so I can help push this engine out. It looks horrible.
It's just like scratch with your nail.
So this here is a race car. It sits pretty low. We got to jack up the front end to be able to get the engine hoist legs underneath it, and then go from there.
Yeah, another 2 inches. Oh, that's all right. That's good.
It's like having like pushing against maybe a toe out on it. Yeah, they're like this.
I never fucking put them on.
Yeah, they're like this. So you're pushing like just kind of.
Yeah, but they can't roll.
No. They're like this. Like you're going forward, like this. You switch them around, they'll be like this.
Well, they can be switched around. I've just never touched them.
Well, that's not always possible. Both things are low. And then if it's not. Slow down or getting straight?
Well, I could see up front. Well, because the transmission, when I had it in, yeah, you see the transmission sticks out in 350.
I've noticed that most Chevy transmissions, the old ones, it's all the same mounting.
I don't. It might be worth just like the into where it is now. Like up here.
Right, because it's easy.
Or are you able to put spacers behind your plate? Like if you put
shim it
a little bit, at least.
You like obviously you want it as tight to these plates as possible because
of course there's so much happening.
No, it's even sitting level right now.
Chill.
Tim, what if I have to cut the firewall? What's the do you know steps of
Yeah, he does.
cutting the firewall out?
Yeah,
if
yeah.
I want to cut it back.
First
Like,
you
let's
take
say
a grinder.
I want it as an armrest.
For like 100.
That pulley to the back. I would cut the firewall a little bit and get that pulley to sit behind the rack.
That would be, that'd be ideal. You're like lower quick.
Yeah. So it's in. That's where it's gonna kind of sit. And the idea here is, well, I took a bunch of pictures that I'm gonna send to him, so we can use this to mock up how he's gonna make motor plates. Unlike the El Camino, remember the El Camino had some plate built in here, custom mounts. This one's running an engine plate, so there's gonna be a solid metal plate right across the front here. That's basically what this was. Another one in the back ties in the entire drivetrain to the chassis, makes it all one piece. So, I was gonna stick the camera in Brent's face and get him to tell us what he's been doing for a job for the last few months, but it's kind of awkward right now. Big flashlight in his face. Don't hit it. It's a 66.
Should have 2 options. Get close to 70.
I've seen guys put those electric pumps there, and it goes up. Yeah. Did you clean it or you got it that clean?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't polish anything.
It's like I scrubbed mine and it was not that clean.
No. The red Scotch Brite.
Yeah, very, very nice. Trying to figure out why this doesn't roll properly. All right, guys, so this one was real quick, real short and sweet, but kind of a little update what's going on here with the Nova and stuff like that. Now, Brent's been super busy working with a drag team. That's his job. He works full-time with the drag team. He gets paid to go there to the shop, work on the car. When they go to the track, they set everything up. He lines the car up at the track. But that's pretty much it for tonight. We're gonna just clean everything up, shut her down. It was nice to see the guys after the way things have been. I haven't seen them for like almost a year, all of us together. So this was definitely a cool night. Thanks for watching.